Hello, in this video I will show you how to draw a square grid like this in Google document. So to do that, let's insert a drawing, new one, and then first thing we need to do is insert a square. So that's this icon here. We insert a square here. So when you draw a square, you need hit Shift key and drawing, so that makes sure it is a square. Okay. So we draw a small square like that. If you want to adjust the size, you also need to hit Shift to do that. Okay, so that's the square we draw, and also we need a line. So the first line, you also need a shift to make a straight line. And then let's see, let's delete this one. Let's see if it is same size as this one. A little bit bigger, so we adjust the length a little bit. So it has exactly same size of the square, okay? Now we move it to the right side, and we hit Control D to copy the line. Okay, depends how many lines you need. And then we move the last line to here. Okay, so one line to have the same size as this square, and the other one has the same size to here. Then we select all of them. You don't need to select all of them like this. You can select like this, partial of them. It actually select all of the lines. So now we align them to left and also distribute her vertical. Okay, so now they have a same space between the line. Then we right click to group them. After we group them, we hit Control D again to make a duplicate. With this duplicate lines, we click Action to rotate them to 90%. Okay, 90 degrees, and then we move it to here. Now we have the square. If you move the square to here, you can see it's exactly, it is a square. So this grid, inside this grid, all of them are square. Okay, so you can delete the first square and save and close. Now you can see you have the square grid. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.